To enable throttling on the S35, all you have to do is set the source address of the display to match the engine requirements. The first option is to go into the menu and select Communication Setup, where you can manually set the source address of the display. 3 is a very common source address for engines. When it's set to off, the value will be 253. The second option is to select the engine model, and the source address will be automatically set to the requirements for that engine model. Lastly, you'll want to go into the Customize Interface menu to select the desired throttle presets. The options are idle speed, preset 1, and preset 2. Now don't forget to save your settings before you exit the menu. When you're on the engine speed control page, you can preload the set speed with any of the preset speeds, or you can manually throttle the engine up and down using the Rabbit and Turtle speed control buttons. Click on the link below for a list of the most common source addresses. Thank you for joining us.